Here's the bottom side of the intake manifold. It's got to be cleaned up. We'll take a rag, spray a little brick cleaner on it. I use non-flammable. And first thing we're going to do is get a lot of this loose crud off. And then we'll hit it with that white whizzer pad. We see the tips of all the injectors. I'm going to spray all those with a little bit of cleaner. See, the intake's pretty nasty. I'll give that a squirt. A little carburetor cleaner. Clean it up. Valley's nice and clean. It's encouraging. And so on to the whizzer. First we'll get some of this real nasty stuff off. Gotta be careful using a steel scraper on aluminum. You don't want to gouge it up. Want to be very gentle. I'm giving it just a velvet touch. The only resistance I'm incurring is the little nuggets of gasket and carbon junk. I'm not going down into the aluminum. A little bit of silicone there. We'll have to get a scraper, get that off manually. I don't want to use a whizzer. Might gouge into the aluminum. Again, this is a white bristle brush, and I am barely touching the aluminum. I mean, just barely touching. We don't want to mess up the surface.
Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.